Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, integrative nutrition health coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we are making chocolate avocado pudding. If you know me well, you know that I'm obsessed with anything chocolate. And I love when we can make chocolate desserts out of vegetables or fruits. So today, chocolate avocado pudding. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 avocados in the base of my blender. Make sure they're ripe. You want them to be soft. You don't want them to be super hard trying to get them out of the peel. So 2 avocados in the base. And then we are gonna use our homemade almond milk. So if you haven't tried our house-made almond milk yet, be sure to watch that video first. So after our 2 ripe avocados, we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of almond milk. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of cacao powder. And this is cacao powder, so it's not cocoa powder, so it's a little bit more natural. We are adding 1/4 cup of maple syrup to sweeten it. If you don't like maple, you could substitute this for honey or date syrup, monk fruit, any of those would work. And then I'm just gonna do a pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of this in there. And now we are ready to blend. Okay, now you can see we have a super smooth and creamy chocolate pudding. I would recommend refrigerating this before you serve just so it can cool down a little bit and get cold. So to serve, I love using those really cute little like 4-ounce mason jars, if you guys have ever seen those. But these little glass cups will also work. So I'm just going to spoon about half. I'm going to fill them about halfway full with our pudding. So it makes for really cute little like afternoon snacks for the kids or dessert after dinner. So as you can see, this is about halfway full. And then I'm going to top it with a little house-made granola. If you guys haven't watched that video yet, you'll have to make our house-made granola. I'm also going to top it with some coconut flakes and maybe a couple pumpkin seeds and some cacao nibs on top. So now we have these really cute chocolate pudding cups. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. More importantly, I hope you enjoy the chocolate pudding. Be sure to comment below, subscribe, and I will see you next time.